Updating your legal name on Integromat is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Integromat account. Access your Integromat account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Access personal information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your legal name. In the personal information section, look for the field that displays your current legal name. Click on it to edit, then enter your new legal name as required. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your legal name, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on Integromat will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Integromat support for assistance.